Alright, I'm trying to remove this windshield because it's heavy, and I think this frame, it moves a lot, but I think maybe the windshield has to be out of it for the frame to come off of the dash. I really don't know. It's really, this gasket is unrecoverable. It's so bad. I don't know. It's not like I want to keep it, so I'm gonna cut it. I know it's $100, or I guess you could use one of those other kinds of replacement kits, probably. We don't know what windshield we're gonna put back in here. There it goes. It ought to come out now. I think it was a little bit loose here. You got to be real easy with windshields. I don't know. It might crack. It might be okay. I don't think it was ever glued in. Maybe somebody did put something over here to glue it back in after maybe it got loose. I don't know. Just about the time you think it's gonna come out is when it cracks. It only works. You can only remove them when you don't need it. And then it sits around the shop and it gets broke right before you do. Or you throw it in the dumpster and then you need it. So that's how it goes with these old things. Let's try though. It's good practice in case we ever got into a condition where we absolutely needed to pull a windshield. See, I think somebody used some glue. Maybe it came loose over here or was leaking. They were trying to fix it. Never promise anyone you can remove their windshield. I've got a couple out before I realized how much of a pain they were. I was taking them out. I wasn't scared. I thought it was easy. I thought it was like opening a window, taking them out. And then it was later that I realized, no, you'll fail on the one that's important. It's coming. It's coming. There you go. What was the over-under? Did I win? Glass is out. I don't know where I'm going to put it now, but now it's out. There, outside, on the pile of old garbage. It's a perfect place to put it. Come on out now. Now I don't have to be nice. I don't care if anything bad happens. I mean, I do care, but on! Yeesh! What do you mean? Huh? What do you mean? No difference if it's stuck on the dash. It does seem to be interfering slightly with the dash, but I don't think it's attached to the dash, is it? Come on. For real? For really real? They're rattling the spiders loose. No assume what's going on here. Out of there, you! Man, it's really in there. I don't know what's happening. Sandwich construction. See, it needs to go that way to come out. It can't go that way because the boat's... Oh, careful. That push until... Should be easy. Maybe if the car wasn't 100 years old. He says I gotta take the dash pad off. The dash pad's difficult. It's like right on top of metal. I know you want to. You wanna come out of there. Once it comes out, it'll be obvious what I should have done. Ripping this out seems like good next step. Come on out here. It hooks under the dash. Just like someone said, Just like someone said. It hooks under the dash, and we can't get it. All right. One for buffed up Campo. All right, there's that moment in your average disassembly where things are going so well that violence becomes necessary. This is that moment. Yes, violence. Violence is the answer. Well, I dropped the expensive camera, and I'm not very happy about that. So probably I'm going to take it out on this dashboard. It doesn't want to come apart. I tried. It doesn't want to come apart. Crawling underneath it in this filthy thing? No, not going to happen. So the answer is violence. I think we've learned from multiple people that we watch on the internet that sometimes violence is the answer when it comes to vehicles. And this is the moment. If this was a perfect dashboard, we would probably not do this, but it's not. So we're doing this. We're just bending the snot out of it. I don't even remember why I need to take this off. I just wanted it off. I thought it would be easier. Made me angry at this point. It's a sandwich construction. The dash was put on after the windshield. This is not meant to come off in any kind of way that isn't the disassembly of the car. None of this stuff is valuable. Let's hope. It's important to have the right amount of respect to the vehicle that you're working on, but not too much respect. Okay, a little more. Around the bend here. Around the bend, as it were. We're not restoring a Spitfire. We are simply using parts from it for another project. Okay, got one. Let's get this one on. There we go. Two. This is a pain. Gentle disassembly has failed us. If you had to crawl under this dash in this dirty old car, you would understand. It's just not, we're not doing that. There we go. Free at last. Okay. There it is. Every bit of it. Exactly the way I planned. Da-da!